Discover the 3 secrets of stock trading the easy and fun way without risking a dime. Come to Accelotrade.com. Your peak, practice and play virtual stop to master trading the fun way with AI, friends and family. Master these 3 techniques and you will gain confidence in executing your own trades. 1. Take a peek at the successful moves of the AI or other traders on Accelotrade's fast-paced, chess-like stock trading games. 2. Practice the moves you peeked at before to mimic or even beat the move of the winning AI or trader. And 3. Create new games and have fun. Play it against AI, friends or family. Better still, compete in their games too. Repeat the process on other ticker symbols. The more you play, the more you gain experience with chart formation, price and volume correlation. And the more you gain the ability and agility to manage your trades with confidence. Start Accelotrading today. Be a better trader tomorrow.